Hello everybody, today we're gonna make spicy shrimp. Pound of organic shrimp, Jamaican seasoning, black pepper and paprika, carrots, peppers, and we have the onions. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put these. A little more would do. A little more. And then we're gonna put the black pepper and the paprika. And now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna mix everything. All of it is covered. Onions. Mix it. So we're gonna have to like stir it around, and then after that we're gonna put in these shrimp. We're gonna put shrimp in. Maybe I just gonna do like this. So now we're gonna put the peppers in. Make sure it doesn't burn you. So now we're gonna put the carrots. Did I mention carrots are my favorite? At this point, it should look like this. We're gonna add a little of some sweet Thai chili barbecue sauce. More taste. It smells really good. Served with mashed potato and cauliflower and broccoli. This is what's supposed to be. So we're tasting the food now, and I'm tasting it with my brother. It's good. Follow us on Yasmin's amazing channels and hit the subscribe button down. I'll see you later.